So here we're going to do some wraps per inch, and what I've done is I've just cut a, you can see that on the white, but I've just cut a piece of cardboard and I just cut a little section out that has it that is an inch across. You can buy these, you can find these or make them yourself, something to count your wraps per inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whoops, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's 12 wraps per inch. And I just want to show you that, you know, if I squeeze these in a little bit this way and I say, wow, you know, let's get them all close together, I could get as many as 12, 13, 14, 15. I can get at least 15 in there without really overloading. And that's what makes it not an exact science. I can also take some of these out, and if I was a little more liberal with my wrapping, I probably could get down to maybe a 10, like that, spreading it out a little bit. And that's why when we're showing you the wraps per inch to spin for, you know, there's still quite a bit of variety even when you do measure it this way. So we've tried to make this very flexible so this pattern will work whether you know, over a variety of sizes. So there you go.